Hey guys, welcome back to this vlog. This is just another weekly vlog and you guys just get to see a little more in my life, which is really fun, and you guys really like the vlog, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. This is my uniform that I never follow. This isn't dress code. I really don't care anymore. Hi, Nugget. Hi. Good morning. Wait for it. Dun dun dun.
Breakfast of champions.
Wow.
Paige eats 80% of that.
That's not true.
I get maybe one bite.
Okay, that is very true. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh. Cheers. Okay guys, I'm currently in my car. I just got to school on my free block, ends in like 20 minutes, but I got here early. There's a first for everything. Just quickly wanted to say that I've been getting so many questions about colleges and everything, and I'm hearing back from like all my colleges next week, so I'm really nervous. College is so stressful. I don't know if anyone even cares, but I'm gonna just tell you guys when I know which school I'm going to. Like, I'm not, yeah. There's a lot of people looking at me right now, so I'm gonna go. Bye. I'm gonna just go for a really quick run right now, but look how dope these leggings are that I got. I feel like such a little ninja turtle or something. I really don't feel like working out right now. And I know I'm gonna be really happy that I am working out when I'm working out, but I am not a happy camper right now. Recently, I've been really trying to eat healthy and work out. I've been eating really bad, and I just like didn't feel good about myself. It's not so much like how much I weigh. I just felt like icky. Usually I just do like a 2.0 incline and then a 6.0 speed, but I'm not going to do that yet because I still have to set up like my phone and everything. So I'm probably just going to pick one of these and yeah. All done. Super quick, but like still I feel much better now. Good morning everyone. Last night I slept at Bailey's and oh my gosh guys. Okay, next time I go to Bailey's, I'm vlogging because she got a puppy, and his name is Murphy, and he's the cutest little pupper ever, and I love him. But anyways, I just slept there last night, and I literally just got home and showered and got dressed for the day. Also, guys, it's St. Patty's Day, and I heard they have green bagels, and I really want a green bagel now. So I think Caleb and I, my boyfriend, are gonna go get bagels. That's the plan. Yeah. I just tried popping a pimple. That was such a bad idea. I don't know why I just did that. So I'm actually going to do my makeup right now instead, because why not look a little presentable for the vlog? You know what I mean? I'm gonna moisturize with the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is literally my third time getting it. Honestly, I'm not obsessed with it, but I just cannot find a better moisturizer on. So last night, since I was at Bailey's, we were taking turns to take Murphy to the bathroom in the middle of the night, and well, actually I took one turn. Bailey took the rest. She's such a good puppy mom. But I realized puppies are a lot of work. Oh, also guys, this is the Agave Bite Lip Chapstick. I love puppies with all my heart. I'm such a dog person. I love pups. I literally only follow puppy accounts on Instagram, but they're a lot of work. I'm gonna just use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm almost out. So sad. I have to go get another one. I'm in the shade Light Medium too. This is such a good concealer for like when I fake tan and just when I'm my pale self. Literally have not used foundation in the longest time. I used to love wearing foundation, but concealer only all the way right now. Literally used the KKW contour thing twice and it's gone. Okay. Makes your cheekbones super sculpted and just like still natural at the same time. So are any of you guys like seniors hearing back from colleges? Because I'm really interested to hear what colleges you guys go to if you are. This is the Milk Makeup blusher thing. I don't know what it's called. It's in the shade Rally. It is actually the best. It honestly, guys, look at that. Oh, wait. Sorry, it looks like I'm a clown. Wait, hold on. Let me blend it out. It's really, really cool. Like, what? I look so much more like alive on this side and then just sad on this side. Let me just blend it out a little. Another thing I got from Milk was this little glow stick. I got it on the sample right before you check out. That aisle is so dangerous. I actually get everything because it's like, oh, it's cheaper and it's so cute and tiny. And I just get everything. This is in the shade, I think it's in the shade Mars. Prepare to be blinded. This highlight is amazing. Oh, this is my favorite part. It makes it so easy to do the little button nose too. Do you guys like the little highlight button noses? I love them. They're so cute. Look at the little button nose. Just quickly do my eyebrows and mascara, and I'll see you guys after because like you've seen it a million times. Okay, that's all done. I'm gonna just put on another Bite Agave lip mask, but this one is like a pink shade and it's really, really, really pretty. All done. Okay, let's go get green bagels. I'm really excited for this. I'm sad my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
It was our first time on the vlog.
I know, it's crazy, right?
Crazy. Okay, guys, we're gonna go get green bagels, and I'm so excited. Are you excited for green bagels?
So excited.
Yeah. We're like really festive over here. Oh, I am way too excited about this. Oh my god. What a score. So cute.